Hello, this is Jeff Ryle from G4 Geomatic Resource in Houston, and today we're going to do the first of two videos. We're going to use Infinity Office software, and we're going to export a coordinate system and geodal model to an SD card, and then the second video we'll upload that and set up for the controller for the field. So once again, a geoid geodal model is important. They convert our GPS elevations from ellipsoidal to orthometric, and roughly the difference between geodal separation, the difference could be around 90 feet or 30 meters. So once again, geodal model will be part of a coordinate system, and in this case we'll have a state plane, which is Lambert projection. So we're going to project from the ellipsoid to a mapping plane, and then attach the geodal model to convert our elevations. And there's several different geodal models, so it's important to get a geodal model that matches another surveyor. So right now, Geoid 18 is the latest and greatest, and we'll go through in Infinity and just show the difference between 18 and Geoid 09 to show that there can be 2/10 to half a foot difference depending where you are. Okay. So once again, we're going to upload, this is a map of Texas, and see the different map projections. So there's Texas South down here, South Central, Texas Central, North Central, and North. So we're going to create all these coordinate systems and upload them from Infinity to the controller, attach Geoid 18, and then upload that to our RTK rover. All right, let's take a quick look at the Infinity. Okay, we're in Infinity, and if I hit the home screen here, I have a project open that's, here's our project name here, E. Riley. Let's take a quick look at this point here. And right now we're running Texas South Central Geoid 18. So using Geoid 18, the elevation is 42.68 and the base station is 95.0. I've copied over another one with Geoid 09 just to show you the vertical will change. And you can see here it's around just below 2/10 of a foot. Okay, so I just want to show you how important getting the right geodal model can have. And right now in Houston, if you're comparing Geoid 18 to Geoid 09, you could see anywhere from 2/10 to half a foot difference. And that's why it's important to know you have the right geodal model. Okay, so let's just show you how we have these geodal models and how we can transfer them to an SD card to get them onto the data collector. If I come back to File under Tools and go to Coordinate Systems, it shows all the coordinate systems here, and I've named the top ones with Geoid 18. I'm going to use Geoid 18 in the rover, and these are the 5 zones for Texas. And if I went to Manager, the way I renamed them is I just picked, and under Properties, I just came here and put like a 1, 2, 3 for my most common ones. And this shows me the components of those coordinate systems. So what we can do is, if these are good, I'll come down. And how do I get these here? Let me just go back. And there's 2 ways to do this. So underneath coordinate systems, there's a localize button. And you got to have the current firmware and the current CCP. So you need your CCP that's going to be valid and the latest version. So if I just scroll on down to the US, and then I can pick, I want to go to South, and then I picked the state that I wanted, which was Texas. And then I can pick all my coordinate systems. CSCS model would be for NAD27 and geodal models. The geodal models will come attached to the coordinate systems, so I can download all of these. If I don't want all of them, I can just come in here and pick the ones that I wanted, like Central, so forth and so on. And then I hit Start to download, and then they then populate my coordinate system here. So that's how you download it to get them into Infinity. And now let's transfer this to our SD card to go to the RTK roadmap. So let's go now, hit the Manager button. I've got my 5 coordinate systems here, highlight them. I'll hit Export, and I'll hit Selection because I want to export all of them, so just ones we have selected. And what we're going to do is we're going to scroll on down and my SD card's here, and I'm going to put it under DBX. And what I want to do is store it as a TRF sat file, and there it is there. I'll just overwrite it, hit save, and that holds the components of these coordinate systems. The Geoidal models are in there as well. If I want to create my own Geoidal model separately, I could create a Geoidal model, and for the one that's in here, and if I pick Texas Geoid 18, and then what I could do is come on down here and ask for the file path. Now, once again, if you had a Geoidal model, and we're going to go to the SD card, come down here, you go under Data, GPS-GEOID, and then I can just create a name here. I'm going to call Texas Infinity 2018. Okay, and then we'll hit OK there. All right, so that's a quick way that we can transfer coordinate systems and Geoidal models from Infinity, which is a great tool to have, to an SD card, and then we'll take this SD card, transfer it to the controller.